Why should we learn the Python? Python is a higher level programming language by using in the coding. Its syntax allows the programmers to express the concept in pure inliner of code. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate the system more efficiently. You want to working for have using the programming language lets you work very quickly and integrate the system more efficiently. One can plot the figure using the Python, and one can perform the symbolic mathematics easily using the Python. Majority Python code can using in mathematical symbols and mathematical equations. Next, I'll be go for uh, Python versions. The Python was first released on February 20, 1991, and later on developed by Python Software Foundation. A major Python version are Python 1, Python 2, and Python 3. There are the three versions of Python 1 and Python 2 and Python 3. On 26th January 1994, Python 1 was released. On 16th October 2000, Python 2 is released with many new features and new techniques can adapt it to the Python 2. The 3rd December 2018, Python 3 was released with more testing and included the new features. Latest versions on 2nd October 2023, Python 3.12 was released. Mm, to what is difference is there in Python 1 and Python 2 and Python 3 you had in every decade and every 5 years once to change the coding and languaging and some features you extra feature can adopting for the Python, that is the Python 1 and Python 2 and Python 3. There are three versions changes. Latest version on 2nd October 2023, Python 3.12 was released. To check your Python version for Linux, mm, for Linux, for Linux OS type Python, fifth terminal window or V terminal window. For Windows or for Windows important system versions in the interactive cells. This is the just you go to Google, you are search the Python, searching for the Python, just open the Python file. Then there are so many things is there that inside. Next you go for once you go for the Google, just you type it in Python, then you will be coming from the many things from the Python. Next will be go for Python interpreter. What is meaning by Python interpreter? The program that translates the Python instructions and then executes them is the Python interpreter. When we write a Python program, the program is executed by the Python interpreter. This interpreter is written in a C language. There are Python language by using in the C language. There are certain online interpreters like HTTPS dot IDE dot Greek for Greeks org, HTTP dot slash IDE1.com, HTTP dot slash codepad.org, that can be used to start the Python without installing any interpreter. See, Python ideal. What is meaning by Python ideal? Python interprets it's embedded in a number of larger programs that make it particularly easy to develop the Python programs. See, you want to develop very easily from the Python language, then that is very, very important in interpreter is embedded number. Next, integrated development and learning environment for Windows machine idle. Integrated development and learning environment is installed when you install the Python. Next, I'll be go for running Python. There are two modes for using the Python interpreter: interactive mode and script mode. Option for running the program in Windows, you can display your folder contents, double click and medlib to start the program. In Linux and Mac, you can open the terminal window, change into your Python directly to enter the command Python medlib. Just you look at here, interactive cell. This is the interactive cell. This here you are writing the coding. Next, I will go for ideal cell. See, look at this is the ideal cell. See, this is the running Python. What is calling about the running Python? In interactive mode, print allow teachers. Just you write it in allow teacher a equals to 10, print a 10, x equals to 10, z equals to x plus 20. See, in the place of x, you had 10 plus 20 in the 30. This is the running Python. Next, data types. There are Python has various standard data types. There are four types of data types is there: integer, float, boolean, and string. What can represented when you're writing the program just int and plot you have written just float plot. Then next you go for boolean just bol bull and string str string. That like you have written it in the data types. Next I will go for integer. What can do in the integer part for integer or whole number positive or negative. See, the integer whole number means without decimals, unlimited length. That is calling about, for example, print 246563546875. Same number will be again will be printed. Once can print 0b10. 0b indicates the binary number and 2 print 0 into x. 0 into x indicates the x decimal number 16, a equals to 11, print type. Next I will go for plot. See, plot or plotting point number is a number positive or negative. Plot can also be scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. Y equals to 2.8, y equals to 2.8, print 0.000005. 4.5 e to the power of minus 7, 07, y equals to 2.8, print. See here, in a running Python, programming can store the Python script source code in a file with the Python extension and use the interpreter to execute the contents of the file. For Unix OS to run a script file, my file, you have a type variables. See, one can store the integer decimal characteristics in variables. One can store the integer and decimals character in variables. Rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start the number. Variable name can only contain uh, alphanumerical characteristics and underscores a minus z 0 equals to 9. Variable names are case sensitive, age, three different variables. A equals to 100, B equals to 1040.23, C equals to John. An integer assignment, a floating point, a strong. See, that is very, very important in the next slide. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. See, four built in a data structure in Python: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Each having qualities and usage different from 3. List is a collection of item that is written with the square brackets. It is mutable, ordered, and allow the duplicate members 1, 2, 3, A, B, 7, 8, 10, 11. Tuple. Tuple is a collection of the object that is written with the first brackets. It is a immutable. Tuple is 2, 1, 10, 4, 7. Set is a collection of elements that is that is written with the curly brackets. It is unindexed and unordered. Example, S is equal to X for X. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and does not allow the duplicates. It is written with the curly brackets, and objects are stored in key value format. Example, X is equal to 1 equals to A, 2 equals to B, 3 equals to C. Next, print function. This print function type of print output. Boolean function or method. Print good morning. Print good morning. Output good morning. Print workshop on Python. Print workshop on Python. Output workshop on Python. This is the print function. This totally is there in the print function. Again, you have same concept using in the print function. Percentage D is used for placeholder for integer values. Percentage F is used for placeholder for decimal values. There are two values is there. Percentage D used for the placeholder for integer value. Percentage F is used for as a placeholder for decimal values. Percentage S is used as a placeholder for string. A equals to 2, B equals to tiger. Print A is an integer while B is a string. Output 2 is an integer while tiger is a string. Alternative way, print equals to percentage D is a is an integer while percentage S is a string. Output 2 is an integer while tiger is a string. Next, I will be go for print function. This print function printing a string name Rahul, print I name, output I Rahul, print roll number, roll number 34 incorrect, output roll number 34. Printed bull true or false. Print true, output is true. See, next same programming I have write it, print function, integer list. What are the integer values is there equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print integer list, printing a list, output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My tuple 10, 20, 30. Print my tuple, printing a tuple. Output 10, 20, 30. My dictionary. You have my dictionary, language, Python, field, data science. Print my dictionary, printing a dictionary. Output language, Python, field, data science. My set you have in a red, yellow, green, and blue. Print my set, printing a set. The output will be get it from red, yellow, green, and blue. That is the color name can represented in the programming. Input language you get integer values is given. Get it from the output in red, yellow, and green, blue. See here, Next, one more print function. Items is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 items is there. For in items, print items. Okay. Then you go to items in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For item in items, print item in ends. The output will be getting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that is very, very important symbols in the operators. The addition, that addition can represent it in the plus, multiplication in a star. That is the multiplication means multiply the values. Next, that is the divisions. Remainder is that is the percentage. Binary left shift, and this is the and, this is the less than, this is the less than or equal. Check the equality. What is meaning by check the equality? There are two equal is there, that is calling about to check the equality. Next you go for subtractions, that is the negative. Exponential, that is the double star, that will be represented the exponential. Integer division is double slash. Binary right shift is binary left shift and binary right shift, and or this is the less than and greater than, this is the less than or equal, or this is the greater than or equal. This check not value. See, just look it here, that is the difference is there. This the addition is the plus values and subtraction is the minus values. Multiplication is the single star, exponential is the double star, division is 1, and integer division is double. And next, remainder, what can do for the remainder? That is the percentage values. Binary is the left shift, binary is the right shift, and is this values, r is this values, less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. Check the equality and check not equality. See, next go for procedure for of operators. See, parenthesized expression. See, parenthesized expression means star 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 star. Next, exponential double star double. See, positive negative bitwise not. This is the positive negative. This is the bitwise not. Multiplication, plot division, and integer division, and reminders. Addition and subtraction, bitwise left and bitwise rightwise shifts, bitwise and bitwise are. Membership or equality test in, not in, is. This is the not, greater than or equal, less than or equal. This is the not. This is the double equal is there. This double equal values will be represented some things. Boolean not x, Boolean and, Boolean or, conditional expression. See, next I will go for precedence of operators. The precedence of operators: A equals to 20, B equals to 10, and C equals to 15, D equals to 5, E equals to 2, F equals to A plus B into C, print equals to F, G equals to A plus B into C, D minus E, print G, H equals to A plus C, print multiple assignment. What is calling about multiple assignment? Python allows you to assign a single value to several variables simultaneously. A equals to B, B equals to C, C equals to 1.5, A comma B comma C equals to 1 comma 2 red. Or two integer objects with the values 1 and 2 are assigned to variables A and B respectively. One string object with the value of red is assigned to the variable C. See, see here, special use of plus and in see example x equals to Python is y equals to ansem, z equals to x plus y, print equals to z. Output Python ansem. See friend, it is 2 into where plus art. Output it is very art. See use of the less than slash less than n and t specifying the backlash in the front of the quit character in a string escape escapes it causes the python to suppresses it is uses the special meaning it is then interrupted simply as a literal single quit character print is equal print into beauty of flower is print red slash blue slash n green red blue green output is equal to abcd. See control flow structure. This control flow structure conditional if alternative if chained conditional if and while loop and for loop. A conditional if a equals to 10 is a less than 9 print greater than 9 a is a greater than 9. This just look at your concept. A always greater than 9. When you applying the program by using the conditional if, then A equals to 10. Alternative if. See, conditional if is the first part. Next, I will go for alternative if. In alternative if A equals to integer input, enter the marks. If A equals less than or equal to 40, print pass. Print fail, enter the mark 65, pass. See, test if the given letter is vowel or not. Letter O, if letter A or letter E or letter I or letter O or letter U, print letter is a vowel, else print letter is not vowel, output O is a vowel. See, these are all the programs. Next, I will go for file. This file is some information or data which stay in a computer strong storage devices. File are two types. One is text files, another one is binary files. In text files, we can create the text files by using following syntax. Variable name, open file text, file mode, example, file modes, mode. See, R is this is the default mode. It opens a file for reading. W is this is the mode of opens file for writing. If does not exist, X is equal to create a new file. The file already in exist. The operation of fails. A equals open the file in append mode. If file does not exist, it creates the new file. This is the T is the default mode. It opens the text mode. This opens in binary mode. This will be opens the file reading and writing. Next, creating output file. File is open. Mango, orange, banana, apple. There are totally 4 varieties of apple can given the input for item print item file are closed. Write the Python program to open read the file. A equals to open content, A equals to read, print content, A equal to close. Write the program to open and write, allow the vault file, F equals to open. Any doubt regarding of Python programming and introduction to Python, please just below the comments, you write the comments and any queries, just you comments. Please, everybody should be subscribed and follow my channel. Thank you so much.